Hello, my friends, and welcome back to
A Minute on Music.
Have you ever heard a song or a part of a song referred to as call and response? Well, in music, that's when you have two different phrases. The first phrase serves as the call, and the second one is the response or the answer to the call.
The call,
Hey, how you doing?
the response.
Pretty good.
Something like that. Call and response is a technique that songwriters can use to give their music a sense of back and forth, like a musical conversation. That conversation can happen between the musicians on stage or between a performer and their audience.
We got the rhythm.
Minute on Music.
We got the fun.
Minute on Music.
We got the
Minute on Music.
everyone.
Minute on Music. Pretty good. Call and response has roots in many different musical styles and cultures. For instance, you can hear it in gospel music where the pastor or the choir director will sing a line and the congregation or choir will sing a line back. I have a song called Kindness, which I love to sing with audiences. And in that song, I sing a number of questions and encourage the audience to sing their answers. It's like a quiz.
Quiz? Man.
But it's a very easy quiz because the answer is always kindness. What's the difference between helping and hurting?
Kindness.
And how might you say benevolent humanity just using simpler wording?
Kindness.
Good answers. So that's call and response. And it can be a fun way to engage with your audience. As always, it's been fun to engage with you, and I can't wait to see you next time for
A Minute on Music.